Welcome to another video from DD Aerial Photography. Here we are starting out at the Mustang Rec Center here in Long Prairie. You can hear the horses. Alright, here we are getting a nice aerial view of the Village of Long Prairie. You can see that we are on top of the Mustang Rec Center and the Long Prairie Postal and Rec Center that down there at the bottom right of the screen. And you can see that we are facing north by the end on top of the screen. And you can see the Beautyberry Golf Course. It was hit pretty hard by the 3 days of winter that we had here in Florida. But give it some time. We're getting the weather back in the 80s. It'll green up here shortly. The golf courses here, Beautyberry and Honeysuckle, are going to be opening up here very shortly. If you go on the Village's app, you can even get a tee time. You can see that we are flying across the Bush Boulevard here. We're going to follow Bush Boulevard all the way north, all the way up to 470. So you'll be able to see the Village of Long Prairie and up into Merritt Field. You can see up there at the top of the screen. That's the Village of Shady Brook, Water's Edge. You can see the concrete plant up there, so you can see Moultrie Creek, Middleton, the high school. Yeah, I can see our house for now. You can see coming into the screen here, that is the Pullman Rec Center, and that is where the starter shack is for the Beautyberry Golf Course and the Honeysuckle Golf Course. And now this is the Honeysuckle Golf Course near the top of the screen, just under the W. So I am thinking that this will be the Village of Merritt Field. Just under the W, that is Eastport Town Square. From the first shovel of dirt to the final lock on the door, your home story matters. With our photo home build package, you'll get high quality photos Monday through Friday, delivered straight to your inbox the same day. Plus a cinematic 4K drone video that captures your home's progress and the neighborhood coming to life. All this for just $350, not due until the build is complete. Watch your dream home rise, one photo at a time. This is still the Village of Merritt Field. That is the Honeysuckle Golf Course up there at the top of the screen by the W. Look at all the retention ponds up in there. So if you're able to live in here on the water, some really nice lots there. This is the walking path. It goes all the way over to the Village of Shady Brook. I know a lot of people like walking the walking path there. Actually, it's at the corner, or it's right there at the edge of the Village of Shady Brook and the Village of Water's Edge. You can walk all the way down that walking trail, all the way down through here, all the way down to the Village of Merritt Field. This is 470 here. And I was lucky enough that no cars were coming across, and I was able to scoot across here and just make it just far enough to be on the other side of the road. We're going to scoot up here and check out Eastport Town Square. But you can see they're working on the infrastructure on the north side of 470 here. So to me, it does look like they're going to build in the Village of Long Prairie. Obviously, the lots that just went up for sale. You'll see those here shortly. Then the Village of Merritt Field, and then it looks like we might just move across to the north side of 470, right across from Eastport Town Square. As we edge it a little closer up here to the corner of Bexley Trail and 470, or just spin slowly, go up to look to the north, then to the east, and then to the south of all the property that is here in the villages that it needs to be built on, and that'll still be under construction for quite a while. Here we are at Eastport Town Square. You can see Lakeview there. You can see Oak Hollow, the village of LaGrange. Still the village of LaGrange on the other side of the softball fields. Way up the top there is the village of Edenfield. And check out all this property here as we pan to the right as we go east here. Look at Corbin Trail, just keep going out there to the east. Look at all the ponds. Look at 470. Here we are looking back at the village of Merrittfield. Look at all that property. Man, this is going to be a really neat place. Okay, we're going to jump across 470 and fly south. Here we are at the village of Merrittfield. Flying south here. This is a very nice large lake. The golf course is the Honeysuckle Executive Golf Course. It's on the other side of the walking trail. Like I said, walking trail goes all the way to the edge of Shady Brook and Water's Edge. A lot of lots did go up for sale down through here on the other side of Beautyberry Golf Course. Mostly on the Long Prairie Path. And we'll fly that area here shortly. Here we are coming up to the Beautyberry Executive Golf Course. There's a lot of lots on the golf course, but there's also a lot of grass between the golf course and the lots, and they have some with water between the lots and the golf course. I think that's really genius. That's a pretty nice area to have a house in this area here. You can see the Mustang Rec Center coming into view here underneath the S. And again, on the other side of Marsh Bend Trail, that's a lot of property to be building on. I hear the coyotes out there all the time early in the morning. Okay, here we are. This is Long Prairie Path. Quite a few of these lots went up for sale. You have Aubrey, the road off to the right. You have about 22 lots went for sale, and all down through here, about 40 lots, I would say, down here on Long Prairie Path. And like I said, check out these lots. You have these lots, you have the water, and then the golf course. That makes your house pretty safe from the golfers. And those are the lots that went for sale. Now here we are looking down Long Prairie Path again at a different angle of the lots. Like I said, you can see that you have the lots, the lake, then the golf course, and then out there further south, look at all that property. Now stay tuned, we're gonna fly the golf course. We're gonna fly the Beautyberry Golf Course and check it out. I just flew this Valentine's Day, yesterday, Saturday, the 14th. You'll be able to see the status of the golf course as of Saturday, Valentine's Day. Like I said, if you get on the app, you'll be able to get a tee time. Maybe be able to get a tee time. Starting off at hole 1, and we're going to see all 9 holes. I was pretty impressed of how small the golf course is. Being a 9-hole golf course, I was able to stand in the middle. So I was able to fly all 9 holes, just being in the middle and watching my drone. And like I said, when I flew this last month, this course looked very nice before winter hit those 3 days. That is Marsh Bend Trail on the left-hand side of the course. It's a really nice course. I don't think it's as challenging as the executive course up by Eastport. This executive golf course, you can see there is a lot of water, but it doesn't seem like it's in play as much as the one up in Eastport. Got some nice long golf cart paths here. You can take a rest between holes, get a drink. And they have some well-positioned sand traps, bunkers, coming up to hole 9. If you were wondering what Edenfield looked like, or you wanted to remember what Edenfield looked like before all the houses were built, I got a video for you. Check this out. May 10th. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. And here's another video that YouTube thinks that you will enjoy of mine.